Hey guys, how you doing today? Just want to let you know that today's the last day to enter in to win some silver, so please subscribe and comment. That's the way you get to enter in to win the silver. I'm going to have another silver drive probably here within a month or so. It's going to be for subscribers only. And uh, I'll let you know when I'm going to kick that off. This story comes to us from Koos Jansen from Bullionstar. Kazakhstan and China join forces in the gold market. The intentions of China and numerous Asian countries with respect to gold and the Silk Road are clear. Gold business is developed and gold is promoted as key reserve currency. Silk Road gold trading kicks off. The other day I bumped into a small but potentially important news item on the website of the Shanghai Gold Exchange. The article was published in Mandarin, of course, and as Chinese authorities hardly ever publish valuable information in English, most articles published in English have been intentionally written to communicate what the State Council wants the West to hear. In the article, it's described as a financial delegation from Kazakhstan visited on the Shanghai Gold Exchange, SGE, to discuss cooperation in gold trading along One Belt Road, OBOR, also referred to as the New Silk Road, that reaches over the whole Eurasian continent from SGE, exclusively translated by Bullionstar. A group led by Kiryat Kalimbetov, the chairman of the board of directors of the Kazakhstan International Financial Center, visited the exchange. You'll have to forgive me, I'm going to butcher some of these names. At noon on 26 February 2016, a group led by Kiryat Kalimbetov, president of the Astana International Financial Center and former president of the National Bank of Kazakhstan, visited the Shanghai Gold Exchange and held talks with President Zhao Jinpu. Both parties reached consensus on strengthening cooperation and seeking development in the gold market under the Belt One Road project. Zhao Qihan, Kazakhstan Consulate General in Shanghai, Gang, Vice General Manager of the exchange, and Zhang Zhao, CTO, attended the meeting. Although the article lacks any detail, we can discover its potential impact if we study the financial and political backdrop. Kalimbetov has an impressive track record. Previously, he served as the Minister of National Economy, Deputy Prime Minister, and Governor of the National Bank of Kazakhstan. Currently, he's the head of the brand new Astana International Financial Center, AIFC, that was officially launched in January 2016, aimed to become one of the top 10 financial centers in Asia and one of the top 30 financial centers in the world by 2020. The government of Kazakhstan contributes full support to the AIFC. The main language at the AIFC is English, and the center includes an independent court for financial and investment disputes, including English law. Kenneth Rogoff, professor at Harvard University and former chief economist at the IMF, has said with English law at the basis of the AIFC will be a game changer. The AIFC decree signed May 2015 at the Astana Economic Forum, AEF, by the president of Kazakhstan, Nursultan Nazarbayev, commands the National Bank of Kazakhstan and the Kazakhstan Stock Exchange to relocate from the city of Almaty to Astana. The AIFC will be installed on the premises of the Expo 2017 starting from 1 January 2018. At the AEF, Nazarbayev stated that the financial crisis that broke out in 2008 is systemic and will only end when the key cause is eliminated. The profound accumulated imbalances in the currency markets, he added, that these hidden, latent roots of the crisis has spawned currency wars and economic wars in the form of sanctions hurting many countries. This is what generates an increase in confrontation between East and West, the U.S. and NATO against Russia and China. Deep reforms are needed for sustained economic growth. Nazarbayev has always been a vocal critic of U.S. supremacy and advocate of gold under his guidance in 2011. The National Bank of Kazakhstan has taken the preemptive right to buy all domestic gold mine output to strengthen its internal reserves and develop the local gold industry. In 2012, a third large gold refinery, Kazakhstan, was erected as one of the key projects of the Astana Industrial Park to ensure all domestic mine output can be refined in Kazakhstan. President Nazarbayev paid a visit to the Kazakhstan refinery December 2013 and can be seen in the video starting at 1:13. Kazakhstan can produce 12.5 kilograms investment bars for the central bank as well as 100 gram and 1 kilogram bars for personal investment. Although the official documentation is lacking from the news item at the SGE website, I assume the AIFC has included the Shanghai International Gold Exchange for servicing gold trading in renminbi, supporting the internationalization for the renminbi. It's unclear if the AIFC has exclusively attracted the SGEI platform for gold trading on 11 March 2016. Klimatov visited London, where he held a meeting with the heads of UK government institutions, large investment banks, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, UBS, and international financial organizations to discuss the AIFC's progress. Though Kazakhstan is likely to prefer cooperating with its Chinese partners in gold business, as both nations share a common interest in making a fist against US dollar domination, the Central Bank of Kazakhstan and China are among the most aggressive gold buyers in the world. Since 2010, the official gold reserves of Kazakhstan have grown from 67 metric tons to 222 tons. In turn, over the same time horizon, China has increased its official gold reserves from 1,054 tons to 1,762 tons, or so they say. According to official statistics, it's thought that China's central bank has significantly more gold in public disclosures. The central bank of other countries in Central Asia are buying gold as well. For example, Russia, Belarus, Tajikistan, and Kyrgyzstan share an objective to diversify foreign exchange reserves and unwind the US dollar hegemony. But increasing their official gold reserves is not all these countries do. It's part of something bigger. In recent years, a vast movement of economic collaboration between countries in Eurasia has unfolded. One of these collaborations is the Silk Road Economic Project, OBOR, that was launched in 2013. Partially funded by China's foreign exchange reserves, the project focuses on connectivity and cooperation among countries. Exchange reserves, the project focuses... I messed up there. Exchange Reserve, the project focuses on connectivity and cooperation among countries in Asia, Europe, and Africa. Aside from its independent activities, OBOR also provides the structure to connect to other collaborations, of which most relevant ones are the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, the Eurasian Economic Union, the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. If we look closely, we can observe that China is slowly pushing for more integration of the clubs mentioned above with OBOR. For example, in May 2015, Xi Jinping and Vladimir Putin signed a decree on cooperation tying the development of the EU with the OBOR in December 2015, First discussions were held to integrate to the SCO and OBOR. Chinese state press agency Xinhua had a dedicated Silk Road webpage, covers developments regarding OBOR, SCO, EBU, and AIIB. Kazakhstan recently opened a logistics terminal in Luoyang, China, and completed the construction of its Xinjiang-Binyu Railway to create a better connection for China through Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan has a strategic position in Europe. Coincidentally, also on 22 May 2015, the Silk Road Gold Fund was launched at a conference in Xi'an, China, with the subject of "Serve the New Strategy of the Silk Road led by Development of Gold." Representatives from gold and financial institutions talk freely about boring gold's superiority onto full play, seizing historic and strategic opportunities of One Belt, One Road, OBOR. Strengthening bank enterprise and cooperation and financial and industrial combination, the leading new transformational and upgrading of the gold industry under the economic background of the new normal. So basically what we can tell from all this, I don't have to read the rest of this story for you to get it. Basically, all these countries are moving towards the gold standard. And they're going to trade gold with each other. They are going to continue to mine their own gold. They're going to continue to buy gold. They're going to continue to raise their gold reserves. And where are we? We're still stuck wherever we were, since we haven't been audited since, what is it, like 1952 or whatever, so we don't even know what's in Fort Knox. Hopefully it's still there, but hey, who knows? Anyways, take a minute, comment, subscribe. You'll be entered into the giveaway. I got a lot of stuff going on tonight, so it'll probably be late tonight when I do the drawing, and tomorrow when I let you all know who won. Thanks a lot, guys, and take care.